If you think your cat has worms, take it to the vet to get it the medication it needs. Bring a sample of your cat's stool with you in a plastic bag if you've noticed worms in it, so the vet can identify what kind of worm your cat has. The vet will examine your cat and perhaps run a few tests to figure out the type of worms and what medication would be best. They'll likely administer the first dose of a deworming medication in the office. You may need to administer the second dose yourself, 1 to 3 months after the first dose. If you can't take your cat to a vet, you can try purchasing general deworming pills online or at a local pet store. Remember to follow the instructions on the label to determine how many pills your cat needs. If your cat won't take the pill, try hiding it in its food or in a treat.